Guys, we're here at Diesel Freaks today. We're going to throw the Silverado in there for the Callie's camshaft test. So yeah, let's take a look around and see what they got in here. So Diesel Freaks started in 07. These guys are super cool. You guys should know them. All kinds of apparel, t-shirts, signs, stickers, whatever it may be. They also have decal freaks. What they do is they'll do logos and t-shirts, stickers, whatever you need to do. So yeah, we'll come away and sell one. Yeah. Chelsea, she's basically like my girlfriend, except for now she just treats me that way. Me too. Hey, Kenny Dangler here with Northern Performance Cars again. We're over here, we just got ready to tune that Silverado on the Dyno over at Diesel Freaks. It's Wade, Ryan, Lalone, they own Diesel Freaks here. You guys are super cool guys. If you don't know them, you probably should. So anyways, in the last couple of years, they started doing these Rockstars here. They build turbo kits for them, fabricated exhaust and stuff like that. So any of you guys that are out there into it, they're pretty cool. So definitely want to get a hold of them, hit the website and pick some of the stuff up. So Ryan, Wade, tell us a little bit about your guys' self and like when did you guys start Diesel Freak?
Oh man, 2007 was the official opening of Diesel Freak, and we just love anything diesel powered, honestly. Pickups, semi-trucks, farm tractors, bulldozers, excavators, it doesn't really matter what it is. Anything to do with a diesel fuel powered unit, that's our favorite thing to do. And that's how we got involved in these little Rockstars. It's got a little 4-cylinder common rail diesel engine in it, and so it was right up our alley. That's what brought it on. And we love motorsports too. I mean, snowmobiles, jet skis, boats, whatever. I mean, we just like to have a good time. But we have a big dealer network here in the United States. We have about 113 dealers in the U.S. and about 30 in Canada, one in Brazil, and one in Panama. So worldwide. Yeah, worldwide. World headquarters right here. And Wade here runs our motorsports division. He runs a white Kenworth W900 that's gotten to be fairly famous. He does burnouts and donuts and a lot of semi-trucks. You don't see doing that every day.
Sled pulling, uphill drag racing.
Yeah, the uphill drag racing is pretty cool.
I don't know how fast the video will get out on the way. May 15th this year is the uphill drags. It's Canadian style racing, the only time you'll see it in the U.S. We're taking loaded semi-trucks and trailers, 145 plus thousand pounds, and drag racing them in an 8th mile uphill. Sled pulling in the dirt.
Yeah.
All sorts of stuff throughout the summer.
And new this year will be a new pickup. It's a 4-door square body Chevy, running Duramax diesel power. And look for us out those pull tracks because this pickup is going to be quite the toy.
As long as the virus allows us to pull.
Yeah.
We can reference that.
Yeah. Good timing.
Yeah.
So yeah, anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys. We won't keep these guys. We'll do a little bit of tour of the shop and show you guys what's in. Like I said, check it out on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, all that Diesel Freaks World.